challenge, Timatanga, the challenge to reach for the sky and to climb the highest peaks. And joining me in commentary tonight, and it's great to have him back in New Zealand, former All Black halfback Justin Marshall. Justin, what a great occasion. Very stirring, isn't it?
Oh, very stirring. And look at the shots. There you see the passion, everything that Maori rugby is all about. And the game hasn't even kicked off yet. You can feel